Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Could FTX token, FTT, Firepin token, FRPN, and Decentraland, MANA, make you a millionaire? Budding investors looking for the next best crypto, with the potential to make its investors millionaires, should consider Firepin token, FRPN. It is a community-based token that is a decentralized protocol based on the $FRPN token, and it is backed by the Metaverse DAO. The current Ukrainian-Russian war has caused a major dip in the crypto world, and it has been very encouraging that cryptocurrency giants like Decentraland, MANA, and FTX token, FTT, have had a couple recent days with big rises on the market. Also, newcomer Firepin token, FRPN, is showing great millionaire maker potential for its investors with its impressive Stage 1 pre-sale gains. Amazingly, Firepin token, FRPN, only started in February 2022, and the project's pre-sale began over a week ago. Its investors have seen near an impressive 150% return. There are a couple weeks left in the pre-sale, and there are predictions that the coin could rise by at least another 1000%, which is very impressive. Benefits of Firepin token, FRPN. A lot of early interest from investors. They strive to become the leading metaverse NFT game development company for those who want to buy, sell, and trade virtual goods in 3D space on Metaverse's NFT gaming platform. It is a community token that focuses on who's lost all his Ethereum, ETH, in what he called a social engineering scam, shows how Web3 scams are perpetrated. It started with a user called Hackshine who reached out to Thomas.eth on Discord, showing their interest in Arrow and offering to help. Hackshine then introduced Thomas to Lin, who is said to be passionate about tolls and working on a metaverse project. After multiple exchanges, Lin then mentioned that they launched their staking app and offered to send Thomas.eth 2 different non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Things then got tricky because while Thomas asked to have the NFT sent to his hot wallet, Lin wanted to send it to his primary wallet. When Thomas asked to read through the contract before the NFT were sent to his main wallet, Lin started getting pushy. Thomas then realized that the tokens he approved were not Armstrong ETH, but rather OV's ETH, and that on his main address, almost all of his ETH was sitting in OV. His saving grace was that he had opted to move the NFT to a new ETH address. On Avatar Ecosystems. The Los Angeles-based company is popular among many A-listers like Jennifer Lopez, Rihanna, and Lil Nas X. The company reportedly controls about 99% of the share of the celebrity avatar market, and has Warner Music Group and Universal Music Group as its clients. Commenting on his move into the metaverse, Uyghur said, "I've always been drawn to the intersection between technology and art, and Genies provides unique and compelling opportunities to harness the power of that combination to enable new forms of creativity, expression and communication." This is the first public metaverse play from the former Disney CEO, who served as the chief executive from 2005 to 2020. Uyghur stepped down as chairman last year. Meanwhile, Genies co-founder and CEO Akash Nigam said, "We believe that Avatar Ecosystems are going to be the mobile apps of Web3. An ambitious vision calls for rare mindshare, and I can't think of a better creative and product thinker than Bob to collaborate with in bringing this all to reality." Disney itself has been making moves into the non-fungible token, NFT, space, launching digital golden statues of iconic Disney characters with digital collectibles brand Vive. Heineken pokes fun at the Metaverse mania with the world's first virtual beer in an apparent app at all the action going on in the Metaverse. Dutch brewing giant Heineken has debuted what it claimed to be the world's first virtual beer on Decentraland. The move is nothing more than a joke. Heineken announced the launch in a press release on Thursday. Dubbed Heineken Silver, the beer will only be available at the company's Metaverse brewery in Decentraland. Taking its joke further, which will eventually help cryptocurrency adoption. The new measure will free up JVCA to spend more resources approving new cryptocurrencies as well as initial coin offerings and initial exchange offerings, an official said, reports Nikkei Asia. Binance commits to Ontario shutdown, will block new accounts. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, said it will stop opening new accounts in Ontario, as part of a commitment to the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC, to cease operations in Canada's most populous province. The exchange released an undertaking on Tuesday outlining the steps it will take to wind down its Ontario operations, which include providing withdrawal waivers and fee rebates to existing users in the province. Binance has a troubled history in Ontario. Today's undertaking marks nearly a year of clashes between Binance and the OSC. The exchange had decided to cease operations in Ontario in June 2021, after the OSC alleged it had failed to meet certain regulatory requirements. But in today's undertaking, Binance admits it had still allowed users in Ontario to trade on its platform. It had even incorrectly informed users that it had the necessary approvals to opt. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, MANA, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. MANA has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users in advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. MANA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price MANA Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of MANA will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. MANA Rate Prediction 2026. MANA will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. MANA Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, MANA is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid